Hi guys, what I got for you today is a VYSS ute. Looks quite nice and white. Genuine Holden wheels. A couple of scratches but nothing too bad. Check the tags. We've got until April next year, not bad. Just take a quick walk around of this ute. Comes with lockable hard lid. Nice sounding exhaust. Don't know if you can hear that, guys. Nice tow bar. Alright, let's have a look at the inside, guys. On the inside we can see leather interior. It's different, it's blue. Looks fairly good. Comes with factory 6-dash DVD player. Automatic transmission. It's got 189,000 Ks. From under the bonnet, we can see an aftermarket intake. A strut bar. Looks quite nice. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this walk around of a VYSS ute. Thanks.